Hello everybody. I told you I was going to walk around to the mud mower, my utility tractor. Here it is. I brought it down here to the creek to do the video. It's just one of the things that it does for us. That little stream up there goes back up towards the cabin where you'll see some videos up there, lots of videos up there, especially a Leanne rock hounding. But a little background on it, it was a John Deere 115 mower. One year we had a bunch of rain and I was mowing the back part of the yard and hit stump. It bent the deck. I spent about 2 years trying to straighten the deck, and I'd get it to where I thought it was okay, but then I'd go to mow with it and it'd stripe and it just never was the same. Every year I kept on telling Leanne that it'll make it one more year. It'll make it one more year. And then she called me one day when I was at work and said, I'm in a garage sale, we're buying another mower. So then this one sat for a couple years. And then we were gonna sell it. And it didn't sell. And I thought, why not take it down to the property and make a utility tractor out of it? So that's what I did. I took it apart. I got some pictures of it when I was working on it. I'll throw that in there before I decided to do this YouTube thing. And yeah, I took it all apart, cleaned it up, painted it, built a front bumper for it with a winch. We use the winch quite often. We'll probably have to use it twice to get out of here. Maybe right there on that little hill, and then up there for sure. Up there's a bigger hill that I always have to winch out of. And then Leanne always loved coming down here to the creek, but there she is.
Hi guys.
She hates walking through the tall grass.
I'm afraid of snakes.
So we had this trailer sitting around that we bought, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. We used it to haul water around our house to water the flowers and stuff. So that's what we used it for, and then kind of quit that. So it sat around, tires went bad, so I put new tires on it. But this is a walk around of the mower, and hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments about it or suggestions, please
leave some likes and some thumbs up and ring that bell. And what else am I supposed to say, babe?
Don't forget to comment.
Don't forget to comment. We appreciate that stuff and all.
Have a good day, guys. Here we are heading back down to the creek. We had to start going to the side because that part over there got really deep, and I spent a lot of time stuck in there. Probably better if I spooled the rear end, welded it together, but Okay. She's gonna get this thing turned around. Trying to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner.
Cause you're hungry and grouchy.
Might still do it. Might eat a little late. Might have hamburgers. Heck, we might have cookies and Cheez-Its.
Yes.
But hey, comment, like, subscribe, leave us some information on, you know, if you saw us do something you liked or if you have a way of doing something easier. But hope you enjoyed it.